UITabBarController. So I have already created blank project. This is a widescreen blank project. To start code, so first of all delete this code and create class tab bar controller UI tab bar controller view did load super view did load. This is copy and scan delegate. This is our root view, so delete this view controller so showing error. Copy and paste tab bar controller. So create three class. First VC UI view controller super view did load super view did load and view dot background color dot red. This is copy and paste as more two time and change second and color is orange and change is third is blue. Showing some mistake. View controllers is tab bar default property, so adding total view controller in tab bar. So first VC let second VC, so second VC and let third VC and third VC. So adding all append view controller and run our project. So first of all red, this is first is a view controller as a red view controller, second is orange and third is blue. So project run our app. This is changing three colors but not icon and label set. So tab bar icon and label set like as first tab bar item UI tab bar item. So this is the favorite and tag is 1 and copy and paste here title as the second, third as the third, favorite the most, recent and search and different tag. So run our project, adding tab bar icon. So highly loaded. So favorite, search and most recent as bottom tab bar. And here is the code. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.